Defining your goals with influencer marketing. Now, there are two main reasons to get into influencer marketing. One is to improve brand awareness, and two is to get these aware individuals to buy your products or services. When you start building a strategy, you need to be more specific. You want to know how to find your target audience, which will, in turn, help you find the influencer who engages this demographic. Now, influencers have a very specific reach that is very useful to brands. They can be your voice in the niche that they conquer. So, you want to use their skills to get your message out. That's your medium. Here's how you narrow the above goals with the medium at hand. 1. Define specific KPIs. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are a big part of defining the goals of influencer marketing. There are two aspects to deal with here: direct response and brand awareness. Direct response KPIs. Direct response influencer campaigns are created to get a response from the user right away. You are looking at a single factor in terms of the conversion rate. That means the influencer has one goal: brand awareness KPIs. Then there is the bigger narrative of improving brand awareness. 2. Increasing brand awareness. There are many ways to make specific goals to improve brand awareness. Here are a few strategies. Brand mentions. Your influencers can start by introducing the brand to their followers by talking about the things they relate to or like about it. Product reviews. Then there is the option of getting them to do product reviews through posts. This can be their original experience, which is more authentic and works well in terms of building credibility for the brand and maintains the influencer's integrity, which in turn helps you hold their attention. 3. Improving traffic. Then you get to driving traffic back to your website. This is a specific goal that involves getting customers who are likely to purchase the product or service. Here's how you get that done. Sponsored blog posts. Engagement is a key factor in increasing conversion rate. This means you need to connect with influencers who can write about your brand without losing the audience. Guest posts. I have also covered this aspect earlier in this book. Guest posts are a great way to write favorable content on popular blogs and add links that will bring their readers back to your website. Sponsored social media content. Research has shown that in the U.S. alone, 77% of the population uses social media, and creating high-quality content on these platforms is the perfect ingredient to the recipe of bringing the audience back to your website. 4. Sales and lead generation. Once you have the audience on your website, you need to generate ways of converting them into paying customers. Here are some strategies that help you make that leap. Collective shoutouts. This is a feature on Instagram which is a great tool in influencer marketing for 92% marketers. Find yourself an Instagram influencer and get them to promote your product or service. This helps create more leads and drive sales sooner than you could on other social media platforms. Affiliate marketing and discount codes. This is another popular way of campaigning using influencers. It's a win-win for customers and the influencer. Affiliate marketing gives the influencer a chance to make some money, which is an incentive for them. 5. Driving engagement. This ties back to the point of brand awareness. You can use that metric to increase engagement, which, once again, benefits both the brand and the influencer. Increasing your follower count by piggybacking on your influencer's follower size is a smart way to go about it. Takeovers. As mentioned earlier, this is a good way to strengthen your collaboration with the influencer and also engage with their audience. It has the potential to meet more than one goal at a time. 6. Reputation. A brand's reputation is often considered to be an intangible asset, but there is a way to strengthen it with potential customers. It is done by building partnerships that reflect the core values of the company. Host an event. The best way is to host an event and send invites to influencers who have a good track record with commercial campaigns. Send gifts. This is a good old sales method where you try to buy their affection. But if you are thoughtful and the gift is something they can use to create content, you might just get the bump you're looking for. It is one of the easiest ways to get in their good books.